We'll guide you through how to create ChatGPT photo prompts so you can enhance your creative projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for the prompt area where you usually enter your text. Now, to create a photo prompt, you need to think about the image you want to generate. Start by typing a clear and descriptive sentence about the photo you're imagining. For example, a serene landscape with a sunset over the mountains and a calm lake reflecting the sky. Include details like colors, emotions, and specific elements to get the most accurate result. After typing your prompt, you can also add a few more sentences to further describe the mood or additional elements you want in the picture. Once your prompt is complete, press the Enter key to submit it. ChatGPT will process your input and provide you with a creative response that you can use as inspiration for your photo. You might want to experiment with different wording or add more specific details if the result isn't quite what you expected. Remember, the key is in the details you provide. The more specific you are, the better the outcome will be. If you're not satisfied, feel free to tweak your prompt and try again. This iterative process is part of what makes using ChatGPT so versatile and fun. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.